26. So aside from number 2, let me adjust this back, sorry. Alright. Number two says three 5 ohms resistors connected in parallel have a potential difference of 60 volts applied across the combination. The current in each resistor is what? So to find current, simply, without wasting our time, current is equals to voltage over resistance. In this case, voltage is 60, resistance is 5. That way you're solving 60 over 5 to get your current. Alright, let's go. So number 6. So an electric cell has an internal resistance of 2 ohms. Current of 0.5 is found to flow when a resistor of 5 ohms resistance is connected across it. What is the electromotive force of the cell? So we're looking for E, electromotive force. Electromotive force is equals to current into brackets external resistance plus internal resistance. Okay. External resistance. So your internal resistance, small r, is what? Is 2. Your big R is 5, and your current is 0.5 amps. So 0.5 is 0.5. Alright. So that is that. So impute all this into your formula and get what you're supposed to get. Alright, 9. We're at 9 now. Said a milliammeter of resistance 5 ohms. That of these ohms. And full scale deflection of 50 meters is used to measure a potential difference of 50 volts. The resistance of the multiplier should be what? So we already have internal resistance, that's R. So we already have R to be 5, right? Okay. So now to find our total resistance, to find RT, that's total resistance is internal resistance plus outer resistance or external resistance. So to find ROT, we're going to equate V over I. How did we come to this? Let me explain a little bit further. Normally, voltage is equated to current times total resistance. That is voltage. So if we make T the sort of formula, that's when we now get this and this. Okay. So since we are there, so what's your voltage? Voltage here is 50. Voltage here is 50. And now your so remember that your amps, that's your current is 50 milliampere. This milliampere, now to convert this to just ampere, you divide this by 1000. And if you divide this by 1000, you're supposed to get 0.05, right? Yes, 0.05. So when you solve this and you get your R total, what you do next to complete it is R total minus arrow, small arrow, that's the arrow internal. That's internal resistance. Once you do that, once you do that, you're supposed to get your arrow medium or your arrow multiplier. So whatever you get here, remove it from 5. We already have 5 as our arm. Remove it from 5, and whatever answer you get will give you your final answer. All right. I think that's well followed. Any questions?